Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
And underneath me, the floor felt as though it was all bending away, a deep creaking, like in the Scholomance, a giant just barely holding on by its fingers onto the deep growth of the one small house.
Get the f*** out of the way!
But the weight was too unbalanced. I didn't know how much of Beijing Enclave was down there, but it was clearly the vast majority of the place.
Don't worry, it's all about you, man. Do whatever you need to do. We're all here for you, buddy.
And become the first
fucking moron.
Other wizards had slowly expanded it little by little.
Don't you dare! Holy shit! Okay, don't cause an actual car accident yourself.
Dug my boots off this time.
What are you doing? Holy shit! Woo! They're good. Good.
I don't know. I have no idea.
So if you smack him one time, for example, and you smack him back, wouldn't that allow that you can't be treated this way, just stop?
I don't think the guy should ever get to go.
Really? Not even to protect himself against it.
No, what is he protecting?
He's a human being just as she is.
Bitches in the studio, they all talk. Tricking niggas like Ricky Radio, they all talk. Shoulda got some light, but she got shots down her ass drunk. Slide sitting in the cell, my lady coming home like talk. And she give me wet mouth like that mouth. They clean heavy, bitch, I'm on that smoke. She can't bring her home, man, I'm giving out like drunk. Breaking bad bands, when I step on me, you lost. Need a dealer like society, cards out his clock. Think she looking for her head, but it's going down like drop. Oh, he think he tough, he just act like he a rock. Amazon Prime, give me 2 days, I bet he drunk. Sitting sideways with a drink on my dick. Bitches getting cold in the summer, keep a beat.
I need to see some documentation, girls. Do you realize the odds? How would you even get HIV in high school from sucking dick at Hooters? Yeah, it's kind of embarrassing, but we go to a lot of swinger parties with homeless people.
Homeless swinger parties.
Yeah.
And it's TMI, but I have a unprotected sex fetish, so...
Horribly Glasgow. Are you serious?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
That's not a friendly round of human flesh at all.
Well, you know what? Let me make the point that Connie and I were talking.
Oh, shit.
I told her that this is a thing, and I'm where the service rounds being fired back at him. So I don't know how many rounds he fired, but I will say that he did fire a granted.
For example, like the lighter fluid you would use in Zippo lighters or gasoline, the economics and the environmental impacts look better when you target.
Don't do it, Mazda. Don't do it. What the hell, man? Ugh.
Oh.
I mean, who's gonna take one for the team for that? I mean, I don't know, but like, is it worth it? I don't know. It's a genuine question, but I mean.
Okay, Garmin, save video. His sort of core political identity to try to give a call to unity in the wake of this. Like that is what you want.
We're trying to address it a little more, but he basically stuck 2 daggers in. He was asked, is he ready on day 1? And his response is he ready to be president?
Okay, Garmin. But that said,
Look at this.
I would. Dude, what an idiot. What are you doing? Wow!
Fucking loser.
What the?
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.